your Google Nest Hub. It has the Google Assistant built in,
Hi, how can I help?
so you can use your voice to get help at a glance. Check it out. Jumpstart your day with a personalized routine. Just say, "Hey Google, good morning." For the weather, your calendar, and more. Simply tap to see your home screen, where you can get useful info about your day, check out videos, and explore. Have a question? Just ask for help from Google or YouTube. Hey Google, show me how to cut a pineapple.
Okay, playing on YouTube.
Now you can see and control all of your devices from a single dashboard. Just swipe down from the top of the screen for Home View, where you can see the status of your home, view devices in each room, and adjust the lights, pause the TV, and control your music. Unwind in the evening with your favorite songs and videos from YouTube Music. Hey Google, play some jazz. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to adjust volume or brightness, or use the volume buttons behind the right side of the display. To turn off the mics, simply slide the mic mute switch. And with Google Photos, Hub can display your best and latest pictures automatically. Setup is simple in the Google Home app. What's this? It's Hub's light sensor. It allows Hub to automatically match the colors and lighting in any room, so photos on Hub blend in with your home. And when it's time for bed, Hub knows to dim for a good night's sleep. Remember, if you ever want to learn more, just say, "Hey Google, what can you do?" Ready to give Hub a try? Swipe from the left edge of the screen to exit and get started.